So if you are a college student and if you are in the first or second year of your college and you are looking for a few courses that can help you to enhance your skills, and as well as they can provide you certifications so that you can put them on your resume and you can put them on your LinkedIn, right? So you are in the right place. So hey guys, this is Rahul here, and in today's video we are going to talk about few websites that can help you to earn certifications from Google, Microsoft, Amazon, IBM, etc. So there are few websites that provide paid as well as free courses for you, for students and for learners. So we will be talking about them, that what are the name of those websites, how you can access them. And to be frank, most of these websites are not free, but they are also not too expensive. So what if I tell you that you can earn a certification from Google for web development, for machine learning, for Python, for data science, or whatever topic you can think of in computer science, you can earn a certification of that from Google, and that too just for 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees. Sounds crazy, right? And there are also few courses that are free, and I have made a video on that too. You can check that out here. And today we will talk about few paid resources, and I will be also telling you some free courses that provide certification as well, so that you can put them on your resume, you can put them on your social media accounts if you find it necessary. So without wasting our time, let's go. So the website number one that comes in my mind talking about the courses, and that too provided by the top ranked giants, is Coursera. So look, 3 to 4 years back, this was a gold mine. This website was a gold mine because it used to provide around 90% of its courses for free. But I don't know what happened with this website. There occurred a sudden change and they have made most of their courses paid. Let me show you. Here is this website. Just go on Google and type Coursera. Let me show you from scratch. Just go on your search engine and type Coursera and click on this second URL, Coursera degrees, certificates and free online courses. You have to open that, and here is the thing: most popular certificates by Google for Google Data Analytics, Project Management, IT Support, certifications by IBM, and a lot more. So let me show you. Here are the free courses as well. So let me first show you how you can access the paid courses. So suppose you want to learn about data science, so just simply go on search button and type data science, and a lot of courses from prestigious organizations will be shown to you, like by IBM, by Hopkins University, by Google. You just click on course. Let me show you Google Data Analytics Professional Certification course, and you can enroll in that. It is starting from 21st of October. So if you are someone desperately looking for a course by Google, and if you want to earn certification and a great skill set, you can refer to this course. So you just click on enroll, and here is the thing: for 3 months they are charging around 3,970 rupees. So if you can afford this, you are most welcome. And if you can't, let me show you few free courses that will help you to earn certification, and as well as that can help you to enhance your skills. When you go on the home page of this website, you can click on explore, and here on the drop down here it will occur like here the first option will be of take a free course. Simply click on that. Here are around 6,819 results for free courses. You can select here for your level, like which field you want to choose. I am a computer science guy, so I would choose that. Learn the program: intermediate programming, basic cyber security for everyone, introduction to user experience, create a website using WordPress, free hosting and some domain. Amazing topic, and that too for free. It has a rating of 4.3, 956 reviews. Let me click on that. So here is this course, and you can add your LinkedIn profile so that you can get a shareable certificate as well. How amazing is that? You can enroll for free over here, and it is starting from, I don't know when it is starting or it is started. So there is something in the free courses like they are already recorded or something that you can check on your own. And if you like the quality of the course, and if you think that course can be helpful for you, just go on, click on that free course. Just follow the timeline, what they are saying in that course, and at the end of that course you will earn a certificate that you can flex on your LinkedIn account. So that's how the things work on Coursera. I know the prices were a bit too high for a college student. 4,000 is really a lot. So for that I have made a video on that too, how to access free Google courses. And apart from that, I'm going to tell you 1 or 2 websites that are a bit cheaper than this, means much cheaper than this, It offers courses of 4,000 and courses of decent quality on that website are of around 400 to 500. Means if you can skip visa for a month, then you can afford that course. You can earn certification from that website and that can change your life. Let's go. So the second most popular and the world famous website that I was talking about is Udemy. So Udemy offers a wide range of courses and this website generally contains recorded lectures, okay? So what's the difference between Coursera and Udemy is Udemy provides courses as per the timeline, and in Coursera the courses runs according to the timeline. So they are not that much reported or they are not that much delay, and they provide doubt sorting sessions as well. So you have a decent connection with the mentor or the person who is teaching you the course. But in Udemy, you are the king and you have that accessibility of the recorded lectures. You can watch them any number of times and you can log in up to 3 accounts or something like that you can see on your own. So you are the king. You can learn whatever you want, whenever you want, and how much time you can dedicate, it depends completely on you. You can finish a 17 hours long course within a day or within a week, within a month or within a year. That completely depends on you and on your subscription. So let me show you a quick look of this website. Here are few courses of Python. You will see 449, 100 days of course with Python 448. And suppose I want to learn about cloud, you can search over here cloud, ultimate AWS certified cloud practitioner course for 449 with a rating of 4.7 and around 1,73,827 registered. Such an amazing course. Introduction to cloud computing for AWS for beginners, 449, 4.5 rating, 23,000 students. Literally amazing. So whatever course you can think of and whatever skill you are thinking to acquire, just go on Udemy, search for that course, pay 500 rupees and the course is yours, the time is yours. You are the king and learn, implement things and macha do yaar. So the third website that I want to refer to you is Skillshare. So this is also an amazing website. This is a modern website and it contains the courses generally of English language, and Udemy also contains mostly courses of English language, but there are some Indian tutors as well that teaches on Udemy. But Skillshare is not that popular in India, but it is decent popular in other countries. So this is how this website looks like and its interface is completely like Udemy. So I just wanted to show you this website just because of a price comparison. Suppose you want to learn web development, let's click web development and learn React, a 1 hour and 2 minute course, a 17-hour course for Webflow Essentials. So this website generally contains courses related to like social media marketing, digital marketing, video editing. So that is some sort of website that is used for learning fast selling skills, right? If you are a programmer and if you want to learn hardcore skills, you want a course that take you deep into the concepts and make you a pro, I will highly suggest you to take a Coursera course or a Udemy course. Don't go on this website Skillshare. But if you are someone who wants to learn about digital marketing, share marketing, crypto, like new topics that are trending, okay, that are trending in foreign countries, so you will easily find a course over here. Provides you a subscription model, means you have to pay a fees on this platform and then you can watch any of the courses on this platform that you want. So that's how it works. So their payment method is different from Udemy. That's how they differ from that. So that was it. That was all from my side for you today. And you can follow me on socials. You can subscribe the channel if you like the video. And I will be catching you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.